Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is week 2 of AOC2. So, this week we had to make a calculator, and I'll show you mine in just a minute. I tried to make mine a little bit more than just the required stuff, I guess. So, I'll show you that real quick. Alrighty, so you have the base calculator right here, and this is what we had to make. I try to make it look kind of nice. So right now, first to show you, if it's not turned on, anywhere I click, it will give me that any button. So if I turn it on, you have a little console log down there that says switch triggered, and I'll do that if you turn it off as well. So then 8 times 2. Oh yeah, I also implemented multiplication, division, and subtraction. -3, 13, plus 2, 15. So all that works. Clearing works. That was weird. Didn't know about that. Alrighty, so that all works. Now if you click info, brings up Nathan Booth. And then I have 3 different versions here. This is the one where it closes this view. Right? Oh, and the colors. I made all of this semi-transparent so that it would kind of change color with it. I feel it looks kind of nice. But, so in here, these 2 are set up as separate views. I'll pull up above this, and I'll show you the fancier one, which isn't really anything except better backgrounds, and it doesn't have the off. So now, as opposed to it just being a color, marble, white, slate, for black, blue, and green for agate, it actually has kind of a texture of those things. And again, everything works. So that's kind of cool. If I close that, it goes down. And then I made the end-all calculator. And this one doesn't have the fancier backgrounds. It's the same as the first one. But and everything will work, right? Unless you divide by 0. So that's kind of fun. So 1 divided by 0, and it'll crash the entire app. So that's kind of just a fun little joke thing. I'm wanting to make it so that it actually does a little more than just automatically crash, but I didn't have time for that. It's kind of just doing stuff today, fiddling around with it. Anyways, I'll kind of show you guys my code now. So the actual code for the calculator is kind of straightforward. If else statements for the on-off switch, and the background was kind of just straight up given to us. It wasn't anything crazy. Again, I just used if else statements for all of that. If you look on the XIB, all my numbers. It's not showing up there, maybe. There we go. So you could see all of my numbers and operators are combined into one. And that's how it is on the other ones as well. With my other versions of it, the backgrounds was easy. It's just, instead of putting a color there, you just do UI color, alloc, and then you have in it with pattern image, and then you have your, basically, whatever your image was. With this one, it was pretty much the same thing. Sorry. But instead of, whenever it came down to the actual figuring out the calculations, you can see I have some commented out stuff. I have it set up to have a nested if-else statement with the division one. So, if the second input is not 0, then do the actual equation. If it is 0, then I wanted to have it where it displayed like an alert saying, "Oh no, you're ending the world and destroying everything." And after clicking OK on that, I wanted to have it so that it would show like a explosion or something and then crash. This is what's crashing it. I really don't know what it's doing exactly, except for I know it's not working. It might be the exit thing. All I know is it does work, it does crash it, and that's kind of fun from that standpoint. What do I think I could have done better? I really wanted, you know, the fancy one, but the quote-unquote fancy calculator. I originally wanted to be, I didn't want it to just be something with nicer backgrounds. I wanted it to actually run reverse Polish notation, which is basically you do 8, enter, 6, enter, plus, and then it'll do like the equation. I couldn't figure that out though, hoping to get that another time. Really everything else I kind of feel I did pretty awesome on it. Looks really close to a calculator, it functions well, and I can't really find any problems with it. Maybe with my, what should we call it? I have some code that it would be considered legacy code in here, I think, because the video stuff was outdated. This, present modal view controller. And I did jump to the definition whenever doing it and try to implement the new version, but I don't understand what the new version is really saying, what it wants with the completion, void stuff, so I kind of just left it as legacy code. Anyways, that was my project this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a good next week. See ya!